How to assemble your Odin Designs rooftop tent. Once out of the box, remove all the straps. You can now open your rooftop tent. You can remove everything inside except your mattress and condensation mat. You can remove the plastic film off the diamond plate easily by running a knife along the edges and then peeling it away. Now locate your bag full of hardware. Using the skinniest bolts with the large washers, locate the 4 holes in the bottom of your rooftop tent. Push these bolts through the condensation mats and these holes, and then have them poke out the other side. You will now insert these 4 nuts into the tracks provided. You can use a key or screwdriver to slide these nuts over the holes. Now place your tracks parallel to the opening of your tent. Line your nut up with the bolt coming out of the bottom of your tent. You can now use your 10mm wrench to tighten these snugly. The bottom bolts are most easily accessed through the bottom of the tent near the mattress. You can now attach the bungee cords on the inside of your tent. You can now close up the back of your rooftop tent. Now on to the front of the tent. If you have the Type E, you'll have to lift up your annex and remove the annex pole. You can use your bungee cords to hold up your mattress. Locate the 4 holes for your ladder mounts. There should be 2 on each side near the door. Now locate the hardware to mount your ladder. You'll be using the medium length bolt. Put the washer on first and then press through the condensation mat and through the hole. Now apply the ladder bracket spade side down. Thread on the locking nuts and tighten with the 2 13mm wrenches. Note that a ratcheting wrench is much quicker. You can now close up the front of your tent. If you have the Type E, insert your annex pole just above the mount and slide under your mattress. It is then secured by the outer door flap. You can now close your rooftop tent. Be sure to tuck in all the excess material. Reapply the straps. Now locate the 2 smallest bolts, 2 washers, and 2 lock nuts. Place your ladder on top of your rooftop tent with the mounting tabs on either side of the brackets on the tent. Install the bolt with the washer in the middle and the lock nut on the inside. Tighten these down with your 13mm wrenches with enough room for the ladder to move freely. Then use the strap on your tent to secure the bottom of your ladder. Then locate your travel cover, which is easily mistaken with the floor of the annex if you have a Type E. Remove the long fabric tab that is attached to your travel cover. Insert this tab into the slot on the right side of your tent and then go across the top edge by the door and then down the other side. Be sure that the corners don't get folded up. It should look like this once properly installed. Now slide your travel cover through the remaining slot. You can now zip up your travel cover. Note it is easiest when you fold up the corners of your cover. Be cautious when zipping not to catch any of the fabric on the inside the zipper. Once the cover's all zipped up, you can strap up the cover. Now locate your mounting hardware. Slide your bolt into your strut adapter as shown. Then insert 4 strut adapters and bolts into each rail. You can now put the tent on your roof. This is most easily done with 2 or more people. Now install the rest of your mounting hardware as shown. Note this is again easiest with a 13mm ratcheting wrench. You can now install your shoe pockets by sliding them into the tracks underneath your ladder. Enjoy your new Odin Designs rooftop tent.